Jay, what are you doing?
We got some repairs to do on the Real Life. Last time to the bay, the wind shredded our canvas straps.
Ate it up.
Yeah, so we got to replace that and make some new straps up. Luckily, I have the skills and the know-how to do such things.
The Real Life repairs.
The Real Life repairs for Real Life Fisherman. Safety first.
Oh, always safety first.
Yeah, always safety first. You don't want to lose an eye. Or have to go to the hospital to get metal out of your eye.
What else we got going on today?
I'm gonna put a 12-volt receptacle in for charging the GoPros, charging the phones and stuff out on the boat, so they're not all piled up on the driver's helm area.
Nice.
I'm gonna put one in the glove box area.
Oh, sweet.
Charge more devices since we're adding more electronics every day.
Every day. More and more.
To the camera equipment.
This is a mobile filming station.
Yeah. Mobile studio.
Mobile studio. A floating studio.
A floating studio. These are going to become our new straps.
Those look like a little more heavy duty than the last ones.
Well, the other ones they're pretty much the same thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're pretty much the same.
How old is that one? How long did that take?
Well, we've had the boat a little over 2 years now. I do tow a lot. I keep the center rolled all the way up, so they do get a lot of wind chafing because I leave the center up so there's not as much drag towing the boat. The wind can pass through the cab. Doesn't push this canvas down like a big sail, so I leave this open, so it does take a lot of abuse.
Man, that top is so worth it though.
Yeah, it's nice to be able to have the option to take it off. I usually don't, but nice to have the option. I don't know, it makes the boat a little bit lighter than the full top, although there's some days when we're getting pounded out in the bay that I wish this was a full hard top down to the windshield and not the canvas. It works for everything we do.
You got it?
Now we gotta put the button snaps on. Like I say, if you want to work on boats, you gotta be a part mechanic, part seamstress, part engineer,
Or just part millionaire.
or part millionaire and pay somebody else to do it.
Yeah.
That's it. It is new almost. We're gonna get our strap just the right size, and then I'll be able to tell just exactly where we want that right there. Snap gun. Snap.
Snap, snap.
Snapper. They say the female side goes down like that on there. This side, the press in side goes here like that. And always make sure your button is going the right way. We're gonna do this one more time. It really sucks to put it on and then your strap is backwards. Boom. Buddy doo-doo bag. You never know when you might have to go. Got doo-doo bags everywhere. Okay. Take the board off. I just gotta be careful of my wiring. Actually.
Was that a good huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
I think it was. Yep. Jay, you sly devil. I forgot. I already ran wire for it. It's already there.
Set yourself up. Yeah.
I forgot all about that when I did all the wiring for the battery chargers and my installed my trolling motor. I ran a future duplex wire for installing just this.
Well, thank you, Past Jay.
Yeah, I'll give myself a pat on the back for that one. Yeah, always thinking ahead. Just don't remember I thought that far ahead. All right, now this is gonna make it a lot easier.
I like easy.
I don't have to disassemble the whole boat. Past Jay, present Jay thanks you for your gift. Today was worth it now. Somebody was looking out for us when we decided to do this.
I like it.
Yeah. That truly was a bonus surprise. It'd been like 2 years since I did this, so I forgot all about running this wire. Just thinking ahead then, because I knew I wanted this 12-volt outlet. It's just been this long to do it. It's one of those things, oh, I'll do that. I can do that anytime. I'll do it one day. Do it one day.
One day turns into 2 years.
Yeah, one day turns into 2 years. And now, like I say, with all the GoPro batteries we're having to charge and cell phones and all that, we're gonna do it today.
Today is the day.
Especially before our long camping trip.
Oh man, I'm excited about that.
Yep. We're gonna go to Bucks Lake and spend a few days and hopefully catch some nice trout. Maybe some Mackinaw. It'd be nice.
We gotta grab like some ingredients just in case we do, so we can cook it out there.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to. We're gonna be camping on a budget. So if we don't catch some fish to eat, we're gonna be all living off Vienna sausages.
It's gonna be catch and cook survival.
Mm-hmm.
We just take some lemons, some seasonings, and some foil.
Yep.
Some butter.
Yep.
Call it dinner.
That's all you really need. Some garlic.
Throw it in the coals and cook it. Gonna get some cool drone shots too.
Yeah, I hope we get the same campsite I had last year. Right on the water. Nice little part of that creek.
It's first come, first serve, or?
Yeah. We're gonna go to the accessory breaker right here. Grab a couple of connectors and we'll be good. Where do we want it?
I was about to ask you the same thing.
This corner, probably, because I want to leave this area open. Eventually, I'm going to install a Bluetooth stereo receiver right there.
That corner should be fine.
Yeah.
I don't see why not.
I'll put it over here.
Out of the way.
Okay, so let's say it can't go up much higher than that, so it's got to be probably right in that area. Wouldn't be too bad, I guess, to get my camera plugged in.
Oh, for the cabin one?
Yeah.
I see.
I guess we could run it like this and kind of come up right here and there and up over there where we hang it.
Yeah, that's not too far.
Alright. One new hole in the boat coming up.
Oh, the anxiety.
Oh God! Speak now or forever hold your peace. Okay, there we go.
It's gonna be nice having the extra one.
Mm-hmm. I don't know why it's taking me so long to do this.
Low on the list.
Yeah. Okay, 112 volt wired up. Now, we have something to test it with. Wabam! Power! Red light.
Golden.
There we go. That'll be a lot nicer.
Oh, heck yeah.
Won't have cords hanging all over the steering wheel. The only other one I have on the boat is right here. And a quick little recap. It's pretty simple to install a 12 volt outlet. Just filming it because why not, right? I'm doing it, so we might as well put it on film and put it on the channel. Real simple, positive, negative. You can either run it directly to a battery with some ring terminals, but you'd want to put in a probably 15 amp fuse, 10 to 15 amp inline fuse. If you have any available switches or breakers on your dash, like I have accessory switches and breakers, so I have an accessory breaker right here. I was able to just run it into that, and then you hit your negative on your ground bus bar or fuse block. pretty simple. It's always nice to have more outlets now with all of our electronics and cell phones and Bluetooth speakers or whatever you got. The more 12 volt outlets you got on the boat, just like your car, the better. Thanks for watching.